What is Amazon FBA? That's a great question. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it's a program many independent sellers use to navigate running their own e-commerce business on the Amazon.com platform. With FBA, Amazon takes care of the more complicated and costly aspects of running an online business, like warehouse storage, shipping, and returns, so you can enjoy access to Amazon's massive customer base without massive operational costs or too many complicated logistics to manage. For example, let's say you have a product you want to sell online. In a traditional fulfillment model, you would be in charge of storing all your merchandise, boxing it up, printing labels, shipping to your customers, and dealing directly with any returns. But when you use Amazon FBA to sell your products online, Amazon handles all of those steps for you. And that means you're left with more time to do, well, whatever you'd like. All thanks to the power of FBA.